everybody, it's your girl the Tech Barbie, and I have something amazing to share with you today. It's going to be all about lips. I'm going to be sharing with you the fall 2018-19 trends in lipsticks, as well as some techniques for the daring ones out there. So you may not know this, but I love lipstick. Unfortunately, I have no brand loyalty. I pick a color and pick a texture, and that's where I go. I'm very excited to share this with you and to let you know what to expect for fall, this upcoming season, so that you can be on trend and not in the past. There are a lot of trends this fall and winter for lips. Of course, red, the powerful red lipstick will always be a staple, but I'm not going to focus on the cliche colors that we're used to talking about. I'm going to focus more on some techniques and some trends that came from the past. So I will start by wiping off my lipstick that I have now. Alright, so you may not know this, but gloss is in style this fall. So right here I have with me Bare Minerals, and it is Smarty Pants because it's smart and I talk smart. Anyways, gloss is back in style. I remember this back when I was in middle school. We all was popping our lips all the time with a clear gloss. And they say that the clear is going to be most popular, which I'm most surprised about because we've been seeing a lot of tinted glosses. So a gloss going on your lips clear being a trend is very surprising to me. This fall, winter is all about less is more, that I woke up like this fresh face look. So it's not about heavy makeup application. It's about taking the breather, looking more natural, looking more how you were born to look, and enhancing it lightly. So I'm about to apply this gloss on my lips right now. A light shimmer goes a long way with really giving you that pop. So this is how it looks. This is a very forgiving gloss. You don't have to worry about messing up or being perfect because it's clear, so there's no worries. Alright, so we're on to trend number 2. Now, these aren't all the trends, these are my personal favorites. And the second trend is nudes. So it's going to be all about the tans, the mauves, the caramels. The key to wearing nude is to find the shade that matches with your skin tone the best. Don't go too light, too dark. Find the perfect shade. So I'm going to be applying this brand by Sephora, the Sephora brand, and it is called Brunch Date, and it's shade matte shade number 1. And when I tried this on in Sephora yesterday with my daughter, I was like, wow, this is really a good nude. And for any girl of color out there, you know, it's hard for us to find nudes that really relate to our skin tones. So, you know, but this is a really popular trend and it's not going out of style no time soon. So I'm going to apply this. This is a lipstick stick, and they say it's matte, so we will see. So this is the Brunch Date by Sephora. I like this because it has a very warm undertone. I really don't do well with cool tone nudes. So this warm undertone really has a pop. And it also reminds me of like the 1960s. So I feel very mod and vintage with this shade. So go out and get yourself a nude because it's going to be a very simple look that you can wear on your everyday and still be looking like you're in style, and still be in trend for the fall. So this next trend is one of my most favorite. It is glitter. It's all over the red carpets, all over the runways, clothes, shoes, and now your lips. The first 2 options were very safe, but if you are a conservative person, but you want to amp it up a little bit, glitter might help. So I'm going to be applying this glitter is by Bite. and it's in the color Oyster Pearl. I'm so excited. This is my first time putting this on. I've been dying to put this on since I bought it from the store, but I saved especially for you so you can see this glitter trend. And light glitter, to be exact, is very trendy for the fall. You might have to do a couple more than one coat for the glitter because sometimes it is a bit transparent if you want a more powerful punch. Now look at this. This is a showstopper. This is for going out, partying, going to that upcoming Christmas party that will be happening, New Year's Eve. This is very popping. You can do a lot with this glitter. It's very iridescent, multiple colors, picks up light well. This is one of my most favorite trends, so definitely try this trend out if you are on the daring side. So the next trend I'm going to do is really more of a technique than a trend, and it is called two-tone. So basically what that means is choosing one color and doing two different tones of that color. So it's kind of a monochromatic look. It is dramatic, so it's not for the conservative person. It's for a person who wants to be a little bit more edgy. You may be going to a fashion show or a festival or a concert and you want to take it to the next level. I would try doing two-tone. So I'm going to be doing it with the classic orange-red family. I have two colors that I will be using. The first color is by MAC and it is called quite the Standout, and it is an orange, a red orange, but I think it's more of an orange. And I will be using this on my top lid. The second color is by Jeffree Star, and it is Unicorn Blood, and I will be putting this at the bottom. So this is a very tricky one because when you're applying lipstick, you're so used to doing that with your lips, but you cannot do that with the two-tone, or both the colors will mesh with each other. So I'm about to apply this one. I'm going to start with the orange on the top lid, and then I'm going to go into the bottom lid with the Unicorn Blood and blend them a little bit in the middle. Then I'm going to go in the bottom lid with the orange to blend them right in the center. And this is the two-tone look. So finally, we are at the end of my favorites list, and this is another technique, and it is ombre. We all know about ombre hair, nails, but also you can do ombre lips. The key is to have a good outer color and a nice center color. So there's a look that I've been seeing on the red carpets. It's been more of a midnight blue to berry ombre look, and that's what I will be doing. I will be doing that look with this Sephora brand matte lipstick called Stone Blue, and with a NYX liquid suede lipstick called Subversive Socialite. And this purple, my favorite color, the color royalty. This is very regal, and this color combination is very fall and winter. It's going to really give you a really cool look. So I'm going to start with the blue. And this is kind of a turquoise teal blue. So it's not a dark blue or a navy blue. It's more of a turquoise teal because I really want the purple to be seen. So I will be applying the blue first. This brand goes on very well. You see how easy I just put that top lid on? This is the easiest one I've done thus far. Scratch glitter. I think this might be my favorite combination. And this went on so easy and it's not dry, which is surprising. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit before I put the purple by NYX in. So I'm gonna put this in the middle on the bottom lip and at the top in the middle of the top lip. So with ombre, it should blend into the next color. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the blue to the bottom lid because I want the ombre to be slight. So this is the ombre from blue to purple. I like it. I don't know if you can see the purple. It's very light and delicate in the middle. You don't want it to be too harsh or it just might not look that good. So I like to keep it delicate. It's a very striking color too. So thank you for watching this tutorial about the trends for fall and winter of 2018 and 2019. These bold looks are to be paired with a no makeup looking face. Less is more. I woke up like that. Look is in. Light contour. So you don't have to do a heavy contour this fall. You can be more natural. You can look glowing. Focus on flawless skin and making your skin look flawless so that your makeup can look flawless as well. If you would like to know more, see more trends, or me demonstrate more makeup trends, please leave your comments below and tell me which look that you like the best, or maybe recreate the look and tag me in the look at #TheTechBarbie, and I can check out your look and how you created some of the tips that I did today. If you like this video and if you want to see more trendy videos like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe today. So that is all. Tech Barbie out.